So in this video, we are required to simplify 2a plus 3b raised to the power of 2. Now, what do we do here is we can rewrite this. For instance, if I say a raised to the power 2 is the same thing as a times a, okay? So 2a plus 3b raised to the power 2 can be written as 2a plus 3b, right? Multiplied by 2a plus what? 3b. Right, so all we just do is to distribute these terms just like I did in the previous video. So this can be written as what? 2a into bracket 2a plus 3b, then plus 3b into bracket 2a plus what's 3b. Okay, so 2a times 2a, that will give us what? 4a square. 2a times 3b, 2 times 3, that is 6. Then a times b, that is ab. Then plus 3b times 2a, that is 6ab. Somebody will say 6ba. Yeah, well, they're still the same, all right? Then plus 3b times 3b, that is plus 9b what square, okay? So having gotten this, the next thing is for us to do what? Regroup and perhaps collect items. So we have 4a square plus 6ab plus 6ab, that is what? 12ab, right? Plus 9b square, all right? So this is the answer to this particular problem. I want to believe this video has helped someone. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like and share the video. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.